Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I have this is a huge copper wire connectors kit, and I'll show you what we got here. Let me open it up. So like if you need like new battery terminals or something like that on some devices, we've got some big old clamp hooks with that here. So it looks like we got 6 different ones with various sizes of holes, and they even say it on there. So if you look at like this one here, it says, it says whatever, 10 by 5/16, 10 by 5/16. So, so you have that, and then the wire will go into there, and then you can crimp that sucker down, and that'll be some solid connector, and then it'll fit onto a screw that size. Or if you have a big, huge battery terminal, you have, this size. And this one here says 1 by 1/2, so it's got a half. I guess that's a 1/2 inch hole. And then this one here, I guess these are all going to be 1/0, but this is a 1/4 inch hole. And the last but one here, might as well show you what this one is here. This one has a 3/8 inch hole. So we have all 4 sizes there, and we also get these little shrink wrap shrink tape so it'll go over the little wire once you make that connector, so it'll kind of seal it in there, so you don't have to worry about that. And we have a black and red, these are super solid. I mean, these are hard, so once you get those things melted on there, they are gonna be permanent. So very cool little kit here. So it's a whole copper wire connector kit. So if you need this for anything, we'll be using this here probably on the RV or something that connect it up. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.